Did you know that your liver can regenerate itself after losing up to 90% of its mass? It's the only organ in your body with this incredible superpower. Even if a surgeon removes most of your liver, the remaining tissue can grow back to its full size in just a matter of weeks. No other internal organ can do this. When your liver is damaged or partially removed, it doesn't waste any time. Within just 24 to 48 hours, the remaining liver cells, called hepatocytes, spring into action and start multiplying rapidly. By 72 hours, the regeneration process is in full swing, with the liver already growing back new tissue at an incredible pace. Here's what makes liver regeneration truly unique. You only need 10% of your original liver to survive. That tiny remaining piece contains all the instructions needed to rebuild the entire organ. Scientists have discovered that healthy livers can regain half their mass in just 30 days, completely restoring their size and function. The regeneration happens through 3 perfectly coordinated phases. First, the priming phase prepares liver cells for action within just 5 hours. Then comes the proliferation phase, where hepatocytes divide rapidly to restore mass. Finally, the termination phase stops the growth at exactly the right time, preventing the liver from becoming too large. And here's the craziest part. The liver is the only visceral organ with this regenerative ability. Your lungs, kidneys, pancreas, and stomach cannot regenerate like this. This makes the liver one of the most remarkable organs in the entire human body, a true biological marvel that defies the rules of organ physiology. Want to learn more incredible facts about your body? Visit Sikho.ai for mind-blowing science content.